So we got me for them, and especially where they are right now. We see they're down at the making of this video. I like it. It's definitely an opportunity, but I look at them as asymmetric. They're one of them plays that you're going to get into because they got the streaming payroll. Payroll, you can't get away from payroll. Payroll is in every facet of business and just enterprise and everywhere. And I told you guys, make sure you check out that video that I also did where I believe, this is just my belief, nothing's been written in stone or anything. I believe that when they plug into the Canton network, they're going to be just doing the same thing they're doing for Ripple and the XRP ledger. They're going to be integrating their payment rails on the Canton. I really believe that, guys, but to me, that's big. Now, as I told you guys, I'm always believe in diversification, but in Zebec's case, I told you don't want to be too thin. You want to make some decent money. I believe they are at a great entry price for someone. Me, I'm going to put out of that $1,000, I'm going to put $450 in this. I'm just going to let you know now, this is going to be my biggest bag because of how many blockchains these guys are going to be integrated into. And they got the payment app. They got the phone app coming. The guys, they have all of their compliance sold up.